What if this is our perfect finished sequence? It's not, but we're going to pretend. You go up to sequence and literally just press auto reframe sequence. And what this is going to do is it's going to change it from a 16:9 video and make an entirely new sequence as a vertical video. And we don't need to nest the clips. And it's going to do this automatically for us. And it's going to try and find all the keyframes. And it's done it. It's like, oh, there's the cheetahs. We know we want to focus on the dog next, I imagine. It does perfectly centered the dog. It moves it around for you. It's not perfect. I'm going to say that right now. It's going to have a trickier shot on the close-ups, but actually that's still really good because you never want to split it on an... Loads of people do this when they split a clip, they do it down the nose. The way the mind processes faces, it needs just a little bit more information. I didn't know that for years. I was like, oh yeah, that does look better. It's going to have a bit of a harder time with a shot with two dogs. If you want to prioritize one, you can simply, very easy to do, I'm on the audio space. I shouldn't be on the audio space for this. Excuse me while I go to the editing space. All you do is you go to your effect controls and you make sure you have the correct clip selected and you just adjust the position. It'll do it. It's fine. We'll come back to that. We'll let that one figure it out. Yeah, and it will see it's already done a perfect job. And that's called auto reframe. It's in a completely different sequence. So your old stuff is still there. It's just on another timeline. You don't have to just do vertical video here. It's automatically done vertical video for me. You can also do a square format. Very common for some people with videos because maybe they find 9:16 to be like it crops too much information and a square will crop less. Vertical 4:5 equally, that's Instagram posts. TikTok is also vertical. Vertical is like 9:16. Reels is 9:16. Instagram stories are 9:16. Shorts are on 9. It's basically because that's what a vertical phone is.